our formula balanced for super starter. Now let's calculate the cost of producing. This is 100 kg. If you add up all, this will give us 100 kg feed. Now the 100 kg feed, we have gotten it. This is super starter feed. You know the cost of super starter in the market as of now, especially those of you in Nigeria. Then you have to convert it to your own currency. Let's get the cost of producing this 100 kg. Now here within my locality here, we don't buy this. We don't buy cassava peel. In fact, they beg us to come and pack it. But assuming we are buying it, we are going to add little amount of money for logistics. But for now, then the maize here is 820 naira per kilogram. Pankane cake is 140 naira per kilogram here. Then wheat bran is 350 naira per kilogram. Then soya bean meal is 850 naira per kilogram. Then fish meal is 1,800 naira per kilogram of local fish meal. Then we have blood meal is 400 naira per kilogram. Then we have bone meal is 140 naira per kilogram. Then we have premise, which is 7,500 naira per kilogram, and we have salt, which is 800 naira per kilogram. Here, this is not up to, it's not up to a kilo, it's half kilo here. So we're going to divide this by 2. Now, this will give us 20 kg times 820. We are going to make use of this place. That will give us 20 kg, 20 times 820, 820. That will give us 16,400. That's number 1. Plus 15 times 140. 15 times 140. This will give us 2,100 plus the fourth one is wheat offal. Wheat offal is 10 times 350. That will give us 3,500 plus soya bean meal 15 kg times 850. 15 times 850. 12,750 plus next one is fish meal 1,800 times 3. 1,800 times 3, 5,400 plus blood meal is 400. 400 times 4 will give us 1,600 plus bone meal is 140. 140 times 2, that will give us 280 naira. Then we have vitamin and mineral premise. A kg is 7,500. That will give us, divide by 2, 7,005. Divide by 2. That will give us 3,750. Plus salt is 800 per kilo. That is divide by 2. That will give us 400. This is for 100 kg. Now let's add up all and divide by 100 kg and get a kilo of this. How much it will cost us to get 1 kilo and 1 bag. Now this is 16,400 plus 2,100 plus 3,500 plus 12,750 plus 5,400 plus 1,600 plus 280 plus 3,750 plus 400 plus, that is 400. That will give us 46,180. 46,180 naira. If you divide this by 1,700 a dollar. Divide by 1,007. This will give us $27.6. 0.16 USD. That is what it will cost you to produce 100 kg of feed. Then a bag of feed in Nigeria is 25 kg. This 100 kg will give us 4 bags of feed. Now let's divide 46,180 naira by 4. This is 100 kg is divided by 25. This will equals 4 bags. Now let's divide. This price here is for 4 bags. Now let's divide it by 4 to get a bag of feed. Now this will give us 46,180 naira divided by 4, which will give us 11,545 naira. 11,545 naira. This is the cost. If you add little amount of money here for logistics, this 20 kg will not be up to 200 naira, because all of us know that cassava peel, both in the rural areas, are thrown into the bush. Some use it as manure for their banana and plantain. We don't sell it in the market. So even if you buy it, it is logistics you are going to add. So you see what it's costing us now. The cost of producing a super starter. Super starter here is almost 28,000 naira. Super starter here is 28,000 naira. And now we have 11,545. This is minus 25,000. Let's use 25,000. 25,000 minus 11,545. 13,000. You are saving 13,000 naira. 455. This is what you are saving for using this cassava peel to make a very rich feed. Let me tell you one thing. Cassava peel has 5.25% crude protein, while cassava itself has less than 1% crude protein. Most times we eat the cassava and throw the cassava peel into the bush for the bush animals to eat, and that's why they get fatter and get healthier than humans, because they are eating the best. Cassava peel is 5.25% crude protein, while cassava itself is less than 1%. So this is all about this formula. Thank you. Share this video and make sure you watch the starter feed formula using cassava peel. This is all we have for now. Share this video. If you have any question concerning this particular content, drop it on the comment section and I will follow you up and answer you. Make sure you share this video. This is the only way you can encourage this particular content and encourage me to continue making more content for you for your own good. See what I have helped you to save. If you convert this to dollar, it's going to give you 13455 divided by 1,700. This is, you are saving $7.9, which is almost $8 is USD. This is what you are saving. It will cost you 11,545 divided by 17 as of today, which it will cost you $6.7 to produce a bag of super starter. 6.79 USD to produce a bag of super starter, 22% crude protein. Thank you. Bye.